Good morning, students. Today I'm Pal Parik. I'm back, and today we are doing the last part of controlling. And let's begin. Today we are starting with essentials of a good control system. What is a good control system? So, a manager has to have certain essentials. So, for that, let's start. The first one, or the first thing for the manager is focus on objectives. The control system should always focus on objectives. It should aim at the accomplishment of organizational goals. The second point I have is suitability. मतलब ये कैसा ये कंट्रोल सिस्टम किसके लिए सूटेबल होना चाहिए. देखो कोई बोलेगा ये अच्छा है, कोई बोलेगा वो अच्छा है, बट इट हैज टू बी सूटेबल फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का क्या पर्पस है, वो हिसाब से वो कंट्रोल सिस्टम होना चाहिए. Third point is prompt. An effective control system should promptly help to recognize deviations. मतलब अगर ऐसा लगा कि जो प्लान है वो बिल्कुल काम नहीं कर रहा है, so that has to be prompt. Are you understanding? Fourth point I have is flexibility. That means what? The control system must be flexible. The system must be workable even after the changing conditions. मतलब पता चला अरे अरे रात को कुछ नया न्यूज आया, मुझे पूरा चेंज करना है, तो मेरा जो कंट्रोल सिस्टम है वो इतना फ्लेक्सिबल होना चाहिए कि कुछ भी इमरजेंसी और कंटिजेंसी के लिए वो एकदम फायदेमंद रहेगा. फिफ्थ पॉइंट आई हैव इज सिंपलिसिटी. ये पूरा कंट्रोल सिस्टम है ना, बहुत सिंपल होना चाहिए. इट वुड बी अफेक्टेड बाय इट, अंडरस्टैंड इट क्लियरली एंड करेक्टली. So all of this is there for simplicity. So wait, we've done 5 essentials. First one was focus on objectives. Second one is suitability. Third one is prompt. Fourth one is flexibility. Fifth one is simplicity. Sixth one I have is objectivity. The system should be definite and variable. Performance standards must be objective and specific. They must be qualitative or quantitative. So it has to have objectivity. Are you understanding? मतलब कुछ हेतु होना चाहिए. So that is the essentials of a good control system. The seventh point I have is suggestive. मतलब the control system must be suggestive. It should indicate where the problem is, who is at fault, and what should be done. मतलब कौन क्या किसने क्या किया है और कैसे कर पाएगा. So all of that it has to be suggestive. The ninth point I have is motivating. That means the eighth point I have is motivating. you know uh, like for example, aaj, today's class things were early like thing running late or whatever, but I am still motivated in spite of all the hardships that today everything went wrong. I am motivated that I want to give my 100% to what commitments I have had for students. So that is a key like something to keep you up. Okay. The ninth point I have is critical point control. Now, what is a critical point control? That, sometimes an organization should be selective and control matters. A good control system should focus on critical factors or areas where control is vital to ensure success. So, CPC aims at a critical point control. मतलब ऐसा ही होएगा, वैसा ही होएगा कि कौन सी पॉइंट से मुझे लग रहा है everything is not in my situation. So what will I do to control it back? So that plays a very important role, that is critical point control. The 10th point I have is control by exception. The senior managers should control major or exceptional deviations. The junior managers should be allowed to control routine matters. So all of this comes by control by exception. मतलब what is exception? जिसको जो ड्यूटी है, मुझे पता है कि अगर मेन हेड कौन है कॉलेज का, तुषार सर, ओके, वो डिसाइड करेंगे. और उन्होंने क्या किया है, जूनियर्स मतलब ऑल द एचओडीज या और लेक्चरर्स को अपना अपना काम दे दिया है. So the seniors will do what they have to do, the juniors will do what they have to do. So all of this comes by control by exception. The 10th point I have is, the 11th point I have is forward looking. A good control system should help the managers to plan their activities for the future. Future में कैसे होएगा, कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, all of that is forward looking. And the 12th point I have is economical. So the control system should be economical. It should bring more returns than the money spent on it. So that is known as economical. So with this, I finish all the essentials of a good control system.